If your Ford Ranger is refusing to fire up, don't call the tow truck just yet. Over one-third of all no-start issues are caused by a simple dead or dying battery. Let's walk through the systematic process to find the exact source of your trouble. Start with the basics by verifying your battery health and listening for the fuel pump hum. If you hear a single loud click when turning the key, your starter motor is likely failing. Don't forget the Ford-specific inertia switch, which can cut fuel after a hard bump or curb. Most battery and electrical issues are DIY-friendly, but internal fuel pumps usually require a shop. Expected costs range from a simple $100 battery to over $600 for a fuel pump. Scanning for trouble codes can reveal hidden sensor failures that prevent the engine from firing. Keep these basic tools in your truck to handle most no-start situations on the road. Remember, 90% of starting problems are caused by loose connections or low voltage. Check your battery first and good luck with the repair. We'll see you in the next guide.